Hey everyone, I'm Priska and this is Tech Talk channel, your go-to space for simple tech tips, digital hacks, and everyday technology made easy. No complicated jargon, just real tech awareness for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Tech Talk family. Let's talk tech.
In today's video, we shall explore how social media and YouTube accounts get hacked and how to stay safe. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your WhatsApp is sending strange messages to your contacts, your Instagram account is posting scam advertisements, your Facebook password suddenly no longer works, and worst of all, your YouTube channel is live streaming a crypto scam to your subscribers. Panic sets in immediately. You start asking yourself, who hacked me? But here is the truth. Most people are not hacked because someone broke into a system. Most accounts are taken because the owner was tricked. Today, we will walk through a realistic scenario showing exactly how it happens and how you can stay protected.
Brianna is relaxing at home, scrolling through her phone after a long day. Suddenly, she receives a message. Your Instagram account will be suspended for violating community rules. Verify now to avoid permanent deletion. Brianna is confused and worried. Suspended? I didn't do anything. Panic kicks in, and without thinking, she clicks the link. A page opens that looks exactly like Instagram. Same design, same logo, everything looks real. She quickly enters her username and password, thinking she is fixing the problem. But instead, she has just given her login details directly to a scammer. This is called phishing. Within minutes, the hacker logs into Brianna's account, changes the password, updates the recovery details, and locks her out completely. Brianna tries to log back in, but nothing works. At the same time, the hacker sends a message on WhatsApp saying, I accidentally sent my code to your number, please send it back. That code is actually Brianna's verification code. If she shares it, she loses her WhatsApp account too. A few days later, Brianna faces an even bigger problem. She receives an email that looks like a business offer for her YouTube channel. The email claims a company wants to sponsor her content. Excited about the opportunity, Brianna downloads the attached file labeled Contract Details, but the file is not a contract, it is malware. Once opened, it silently installs itself on her computer and begins collecting data from her browser.
Without Brianna knowing, the malware steals saved passwords, browser cookies, and active sessions. The attacker doesn't even need her password anymore. They use the stolen session to access her YouTube account directly. Soon, Brianna's channel name, videos, and branding are changed. Her channel starts broadcasting fake investment live streams, scamming her audience in real time. This type of attack is common with YouTube creators and is known as browser-based credential theft or session hijacking.
To stay safe from these attacks, strong habits are your best defense. Never click on suspicious links. Always open apps like Facebook or Instagram directly instead of through messages. Use strong and unique passwords for every account so one breach does not affect everything. Turn on two-factor authentication, preferably using an authenticator app instead of SMS. Be extremely cautious with downloads, especially files sent through email claiming to be sponsorships or business deals for platforms like YouTube. Avoid installing unknown browser extensions or software and regularly remove ones you no longer use. Do not store sensitive passwords in your browser. Use a trusted password manager instead. Always keep your system and apps updated to protect against hidden threats. Also remember, never share verification codes with anyone. No legitimate support team from Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp, bank or YouTube will ever ask for them. If someone does, it is a scam. Watch out for warning signs such as passwords suddenly not working, strange posts or videos appearing, unknown login alerts, or changes to your account details. These are signals that someone may already have access. The biggest lesson is simple. Hackers do not always break in, they trick you into letting them in. One careless click, one download, or one shared code can cause serious damage. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and stay protected. If this message helped you, share it with someone else. Awareness is the first step to digital security. The next victim should not be someone you know. Till next time, asante for watching.